Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today we're cooking in the Koda. Today I'm making a German salami pizza. Let's go make it. Okay, so here we are. Made my pizza. Yeah, it's a bit too low. I'm just going to check the... I've got it on full. Yeah. Just wait a little bit longer. Okay, that's just been like a minute or two since I checked that temperature, so I'm going to turn it down now, as I always do, to 3/4 flame. So I'm just checking that it's wiggling off, so I'm going to put this in. But it was a bit sticky. I didn't use much semolina on there, because it was quite hard to get that off then. And I think I put it far too close to the top of the oven. Let's move it down quick. Because I can smell it burning. Oh, what's happened is that for some reason my cheese has popped over the edge. Don't know why it's done that. God, this is cooking fast. I'm scared I'm going to burn this. It's just cooking the crust faster than the toppings. It's done. Those were thick pieces of mozzarella I put on there. The base is cooked nicely. Oops. Those large pieces of German peppered salami, they're really tasty. They're quite heavy on the pizza. Okay, so this was a 60% hydration dough. Yeah, so I did find it difficult to stretch with 60% today. I don't know why, but anyway, it cooked nicely. It tastes really nice. It's not very thin though in some parts, and I found that it cooked so fast in the Koda today, so fast that, well, that's good. And it didn't burn it's cooked my salami really well. It's just got the top bit there. It's lovely. So all in all, not happy with my 60% hydration dough, but it tastes really nice because the peppered German salami saved the day today. Very tasty. Very nice. Take care everyone. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.